Imagine building a skyscraper without blueprints, steel, or even basic calculus. That's essentially what the Romans did with their aqueducts, structures that moved water for hundreds of miles, defying gravity for centuries. How did they achieve such impossible feats of engineering with seemingly primitive tools? Let's dive into the genius of ancient Roman engineering. The secret wasn't magic. It was meticulous planning and incredible understanding of physics. The first step was always finding a reliable water source, usually a natural spring high up in the hills. Once a source was secured, the real challenge began, charting a course to the city. Roman engineers, or architecti, were masters of surveying. They used simple but effective tools. The chorobates, a long wooden plank with a water channel carved into it, was their spirit level. By observing the water level in the channel, they could ensure a precise and consistent slope. They also used agroma for surveying right angles, laying out the grid for the aqueduct's path. These tools allowed them to calculate a very slight, continuous gradient, often just a drop of a few centimeters for every 100 meters. This gentle slope was the key to letting gravity do all the work, pulling water smoothly towards its destination without it flowing too fast and eroding the channel, or too slow and stagnating. Once the path was mapped, construction began. The aqueducts weren't just the famous beautiful bridges you see in pictures. In fact, about 80% of their length was underground, built as subterranean channels. This protected the water from contamination and kept it cool. When the terrain dipped into a valley, that's when the iconic arched bridges were necessary. The Roman arch was a revolutionary design. It allowed them to build strong, stable structures using smaller, uniform stones, distributing weight evenly and efficiently. These arches could span vast distances without needing massive solid walls. The building material itself was another Roman innovation, a type of early concrete. They mixed volcanic ash, called pozzolana, with lime and small stones. This mixture wasn't just strong. It was waterproof and could even set underwater, making it perfect for building channels, bridges, and tunnels that would last for millennia. Workers, often legionaries or slaves, would construct the aqueduct in sections. They dug trenches, laid the foundation, built the channel, and covered it with stone slabs. For the bridges, they used wooden scaffolding to support the arches as they were being built, stone by stone. Once the aqueduct reached the city, it didn't just dump water into the streets. It flowed into a large distribution tank called a castellum aquae. From there, a network of lead or ceramic pipes channeled the water to public fountains, bathhouses, and even the homes of the wealthy. The system was so sophisticated that it could prioritize where the water went, ensuring public fountains always ran, even if private supplies were cut during a shortage. So, the next time you see a picture of a Roman aqueduct, remember, it's not just a beautiful ruin. It's a testament to incredible precision, ingenious problem-solving, and a deep understanding of the natural world. They didn't have our modern technology, but with simple tools and brilliant minds, they created infrastructure that served millions and has inspired engineers for 2,000 years. It's a powerful reminder that human ingenuity has always found a way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of ancient engineering.